What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the laggy performance issue after update in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon, and here click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon, and after that it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the laggy issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then the next solution is, if you have opened too many apps in the background, then close the apps running in the background. So for that, click on this recent key. Now from here, if you have opened too many apps, then you can close them one by one, or you can click on close all to close all the apps at once. So after closing the apps running in the background, your phone will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then the next solution is check your phone storage. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on device care, and then click on storage. So if your storage is running out, then delete some files to free up some space. So if your storage is running out, then your phone will not work properly. You can also delete recycle bin to free up some space, and after freeing up some space your phone will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.